Hey everyone, it's been a few days since we last talked. I just want to show you some of the very recent, as in the last 48 hours progress, to show you things are moving here. This kitchen was not this complete the last time we saw it. Look, the ceilings have got texturing, the walls have been sanded and mudded and taped, and this unit is probably getting close to primer paint coat. Obviously there's a lot of work left to do, but the walls are definitely coming along. This is 2101 that I'm in, and all the ceilings are complete. The bathrooms are not. There's special custom-made covers coming for the ventilation unit and the duct heaters. So that's 2101. Like this just happened, I think today. Actually, this happened last night. I'm in 2102, and you can see it is shocking what a difference it makes. The fireplace is now framed as well, getting ready for tiling. In the bedrooms here, that little white thing sticking out of the ceiling is actually the sprinkler, fire sprinkler. It's got that cover on it to keep it safe. This unit as well looks like it's getting very close to being ready for paint priming, which may happen next week. (2103) as well has got texturing on its ceiling, and the fireplace has now been framed in, ready for tiling. Ceiling's done here as well. They're done basically, it's done up to the bathroom. Bathrooms are a different treatment. This is 2104. I mean, that, to me, that's amazing how better that looks compared to what it was even 3 weeks ago. That was 2104. Guy is working in 2105 right now. Good job. He's sanding the walls, getting ready for painting. This is 2106. I didn't go in 05 because I'm not here to disturb the work. But this is 06. Same situation. Bedroom's all textured in. Amazing. This is where texturing left off. I'm at 2107. So that's all I'm going to show you for right now. It's like an addendum to the video that's going to be coming out first, but credit where credit is due. They're up on second floor now, drywalling, and they've probably done 2 or 3 more units since I last talked to you. Their next video's in about a month, and I expect we're going to see some shocking progress in that time frame. It might surprise you just how much you see. But anyways, we'll leave it for now, and we'll talk to you in about a month.